Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn send the Slack notifications via Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have first of all, we have to create a directory. Okay, so initiate a project. See, go to that directory right now. Okay, after that we have to go with the packet.json with npm init so it will create the packet.json file. After that we have to install the respective axios and the .env. Okay, and after that this is the code for that one. So let's open the code base for this. So it will be open like this. Okay, so currently there is a no file over here, so let's create the app.js file, app.js, and here we are going to paste our code base. Okay, so here we have the simple lines of code, okay, for sending the notifications. Okay, so just here we have to update the Slack webhook URL. So in the last video we have created the Slack webhook URL. Just copy this URL and I'm going to paste that URL over here. Okay, so you have to follow the last video how we are going to get this one. So here you can see that now we are going to just send it right now. Node app.js, and the message send. If I go to my Slack, if I go with the Slack login, so here we have a Slack. So sign up, already sign in. Ready to launch, open, use Slack browser. So this is my already. Okay, so I think which webhook I'm using currently. So new channel, a new user has signed up. Which message I have sent? That is hello from the Node.js, right? So I think the message is sent, and what the let's go and just configure the this one. Let me just go over there, the webhooks, for which channel I have just updated this one. So here we have a Slack. So here we have the demo app. Generate this token also for this webhook. Generate. Okay, so let's go with this. And here we have the webhook. Let's go with this, and it's enabled. Yes, it is enabled and it is sent. Hashtag new channel it is. Do we have the new channel? Let's go with another channel, and this time we will go with our technical Rajni myself. I'm going to send. Okay, let's try to send it again. Okay, I need to just update the webhook URL also, right? For which channel I need to update this. So here we have the webhook URL endpoint, and let's run this. Message is sent, but yeah, we have received that message. Right here you can see that a new user has signed up. A new user has signed up. I think this is the message it is showing, right? A new user has signed up. It's not the text. I think the message is something else. Yeah, send Slack message, a new user has signed up. It's not this one text, because the text is already default is there. So here this is the text. I think the last one also in the new channel also, this is also there, right? So I think the webhook is working fine for us. Okay, so this is the very easy code for that one. So just send Slack message. This is a webhook URL. We have to set the payload and the webhook URL and the payload. Send the message. Any error, it will go over here. Send Slack message with that message. Otherwise, you can select your message over here, right? Currently, this is the message that we are going to send. So because the text is there, right? So I forgot, like this is not for this one. Okay, so this is how you can send the message. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.